Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very good morning to all of you. I hope you are fine and ready for the lesson today. For today, we are going to continue Unit 3, Wildlife. You can turn to page 36. Your textbook, your English +1. The objective is to guess and identify the meaning of the verb based on the pictures shown. Now for the brain teaser. Can you name 3 animals that can fly? Yes, good job. That are the correct answers, right? Now let's continue with the verbs. Let's learn the meaning of each verb.
Jump, jump.
Melompat, melompat.
Fly, fly.
Terbang, terbang.
Swim, swim.
Berenang, berenang.
Drink, drink.
Minum, minum.
Hear, hear.
Dengar, dengar.
Communicate, communicate.
Berkomunikasi, berkomunikasi.
Kill, kill.
Bunuh, bunuh.
Survive, survive.
Terus hidup, terus hidup.
Climb, climb.
Memanjat, memanjat.
Grow, grow.
Membesar, membesar.
Move, move.
Bergerak, bergerak.
Run, run.
Berlari, berlari.
See, see.
Melihat, melihat.
Catch, catch.
Menangkap, menangkap. Now, let's read about interesting and amazing animal facts. Let's read.
An ostrich's eyes is bigger than its brain.
An eagle's eyes are at least 4 times sharper than a human's.
Sea otters hold hands while they are sleeping so they don't drift apart. The 3-toed sloth is the slowest mammal in the world.
Elephants are the only animal that can't jump. A snail can sleep for 3 years.
At birth, a panda is smaller than mouse and weighs about 4 ounces.
Bullfrogs are big frogs that never sleep.
Kangaroo rat can go its entire life without drinking water.
Cheetah are the world's fastest land animal.
Bats always turn left when they leaving a cave. The axolotl can regenerate its limbs.
That's all from me. I hope you enjoy the video. Please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for today. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.